Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Klarna on Temu. So if you're looking for this video, this is a perfect video on how to do it. All you got to do is click a product. So I'm going to go to this product here, and now you just want to scroll down and find the product that you want to buy and add it to your cart. And then you want to click on the product color that you want or the quantity. So I want 3, and now I'm going to click on this color here and click add to cart. And now you're going to scroll up to the top, and then you can click the cart right here. And to check out, all you got to do is click check out. And now you want to register to a Temu account. So if you don't have one, go and make one. But if you do, just log in. I'm going to make one real quick. So I'm going to go to a temp email, and I'm going to add a email to this website real quick. Now you just want to put your email in here and click continue. Now you just want to write a password and click register. Or then you want to add other products because you need more products to get the shipping requirements. Just add a few things to your cart so you can get it through. And now you just want to fill out your information. So you'll get to this page, and once you get to this page, all you got to do is fill out your information. And once you fill out your information, you click continue to payment. And as you can see, it accepts a lot of payment detail. And as you can see, it accepts a lot of payment methods. It's got PayPal, Visa, and all these other ones, Afterpay and Klarna. So that is the one that you want to use. So once you click continue to payment, it will have a drop down menu where you can click Klarna. And once you click Klarna, all you got to do is sign into your account, and then it will have access to this website. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.